Well, this video is going to be a little bit different because today I'm selling a motorbike that I've owned for about 10 years. I used to work here in the city of London, and one day I drove to work on my bike and ended up going out for drinks after work and kept meaning to go back and get the bike and ride it home again, but just one thing led to another, more drinks, more nights out, whatever, and I never went back to it. And then when I did try and start it, the battery had gone flat. Then my insurance expired and I stormed it. Roll forward 7 years and the bike has sat in one spot. So today is the day that I'm going to try and recover the bike and sell it. So I'm on my way right now to meet a buyer for the bike. We'll see what happens. He's going to hopefully meet up with me, give me cash for the bike. But unfortunately the locks on it have been rusted, and also I've lost the key. So it's going to be a mission. We'll see what happens, should be exciting, and I thought I'd take you guys along for the journey. Here we are, and this is the bike. So I left this here in 2017, I believe. It was last MOT'd in 2017, so I'm going to pull this cover off. Let's have a look. Comes complete with original dust. This is disgusting. I'm going to do this with two hands. Hold on. So that's the bike. Well, I can't believe my luck. So I've pulled the cover off and I brought literally every key that I had in my house. So you can see in here, I brought literally all of these keys, and the very first key that I pulled out, tried it in the lock and it turned the lock on the back. So that was an amazing result, and the same on the front. I had a key in the bag actually with the papers and it still worked on the lock. So locks are off, we're looking good. So now I'm just waiting for the buyer to show up. He's on a motorcycle. He's just going to view it today, and if he wants it, make me a transfer. So we're looking good. This might be quite a successful day. I'll just show you around the bike while I'm waiting for the buyer to show up. So it's a very, very cool bike, 90s styling, retro stuff. It's got 24,700 miles on the clock. It's just an amazing bike. I rode this for about 3 years and it was so cool. It's got a big Boxer Twin, 1100cc, needs a real good clean up and polish, but it's a super nice bike. It's got a super nice sports exhaust as well. This sounds epic when it's running. And then what else have we got? Single-sided swing arm, quite nice. Massive engine, massive everything. So yeah, really cool bike. I love the styling, love everything about it, but it's time for it to go. So fingers crossed the guy buys. I'll put a screenshot of my Facebook messages. I've had literally about 100 messages about this. I've had quite a few people offer me full asking price, about 30 offers of 700, and then about 25 offers of like five or 600. So a lot of interest in it. I think it's worth 950, which is what I'm trying to sell it for, but we'll see how it goes today. This is the Corbin seat. This is like a low seat, and it's very, very cool. So yeah, right, so now it's just a waiting game. We'll see if this buyer shows up and we'll check in again. Check this out, RS34 rental. I think this might be our guy. Hey mate, come on a cool bike. So this is my buyer for the bike, hopefully. He's rolled up on a super nice Honda. Check it out. So just to update, the chap was really cool and he bought it. We had a nice chat. Turns out he is also a YouTuber and he's going to do a video series on the bike. So I'm going to, if he's okay with it, I'll link his video down below. So all of you guys can follow the BMW progress if you want to, see what happens with it. As for me, I'm heading home now. I'm right next to the Tower of London, just on my way home, and on to more videos and hopefully soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again on the next one.